video. It's been a hot minute since we've done one of these, much less one from Dollar Tree, but I was a woman on a mission, and yes, I know my hair looks all stringy. I put hair oil in it because it's so humid out. It's like 69% humidity out right now. It just went poof. So I put oil in it to try to tame it, but now it just looks dirty and gross, even though it is freshly washed, but you'd never damn know it. But anyway, so I apologize for shit I shouldn't apologize for. I know. Anyways, so it's such a nice day outside, though. It seems like a shame to not be out in it to film. So here we are. But anyway, Kimmy let me know on Friday that Dollar Tree has dupes for Glow Recipe. Like their whole watermelon line. I was like, oh, okay. Because I mean, you guys know I love that shit. But I mean, if the Dollar Tree dupes are about as good, I might, I don't know, I might switch. Because I mean, it's a hell of a lot cheaper to buy it from Dollar Tree, even if it's a knockoff. But I'm on like my last stuff from them right now, so I was like, it's perfect freaking timing, it's kismet. So alright, I figured if they still have it in stock when I go, I will go ahead and pick some up. And I so did, and then I found other Glow Recipe dupes that she did not realize were Glow Recipe dupes. So I was pretty proud of me for being able to both point those out to her when I got home and show her the links to what they are duping, because I recognized them straight off because I've owned every single one of the real ones at least once before. So I knew what they were trying to be. And then I got a few just bonus items because why not? It's so cheap, may as well. So let me show you what I got. So the brand at Dollar Tree who is duping Glow Recipe right now, it's called Be Pure. Never mind, that looks more like the Target logo, but okay, whatever, go off. But this is their Glow Up Toner. This is a dupe for the watermelon toner that Glow Recipe does. They have a wavier bottle on the real one. I don't really care. All I care is that it works. And especially looking at the ingredients list here, I was like, this is very, very similar to the real thing. For $1.25, I am willing to try it. Especially because my toner is almost empty too right now. So I'm like, perfect timing. Perfect damn timing. So I have that. I also got, this is one of the ones she didn't realize. This is the Glow Up Revitalizing Serum with pomegranate extract and peptides. They do have a pomegranate serum that this is duping. I've had it before, it's lovely, but I believe these dupes are a little smaller than the real brand name, but you know what? If they turn out to be even similarly as good, I would be down to buy this in duplicate and have about the same amount as the real one, because it would still be a gazillion dollars cheaper. So anyway, I got that. I found their Glow Up Renewing Serum with avocado extract and ceramides, which obviously is a dupe for the avocado serum that they do, which was one of the first Glow Recipe things I think I ever tried. So I was like, okay. But again, it's only 1 fluid ounce. I am picky, so I mean, we'll see how it holds up. But I mean, again, looking at the ingredients, I'm like, I think it might actually do the thing. I am down to try it. And if it flops, I'm only at, what, $1.25 on each of these? Who gives a shit, right? So I'm willing to try it just to find out, because if it's as good, I am happy to buy the cheaper one. The perpetually broke will buy the cheaper ones if it is a legitimate option. They also have the Glow Up Smoothing Serum, Strawberry Extract, and Salicylic Acid with the AHA and BHA. So this is lightly exfoliating, just like the real one. So I'm like, okay, you have my attention. This I actually spotted first before any of the others. I was like, oh, okay, I see what you're doing. I respect it. I hope you're somewhere near as good, because I want to like these. I want to like them. And I noticed on these 3 smaller ones that Kimmy was unaware of, they did attempt to do the wavy bottle a little bit. Not enough to get sued, but enough to where you might recognize what it's trying to be. And I'm like, alright, I'm here for it. So I have those. And then I found the Glow Up Night Moisturizer with watermelon extract and niacinamide, just like the watermelon glow one. I'm like, okay. Okay, this is the only one of the watermelon ones that I'm not sure if I've actually had the real one of. If not, I'm sure at some point I'll get it in a beauty box. They freaking give these out like trick-or-treat candy, but I am just very intrigued. I'm very intrigued. It's moisturizer. It's hard to screw up moisturizer. So I'm like, if any of them I feel confident about being viable, it's this one. So we'll see how she does. And then there's also this guy, the Glow Up Serum, which is a dupe for the Dewdrops that they do, which, I mean, I'm on my final bottle of that right now. I had multiples of that from across all the different beauty boxes, and I've somehow worked through all of them. I really like it. I'm pretty picky about it. So, again, I will notice if this does not stand up to the real deal. But if it does, I might be going back. I might buy 5, I don't know. But maybe not literally 5, but you know what I mean. So, found all those. Those were all the Glow recipe dupes. But because I'm me, and since I was there anyway, I figured I'll buy a few other things that are on that aisle anyway. I actually stayed within that aisle. I didn't go outside of it. So, it was all very self-contained. I could have gone easily very crazy if I had let myself, but I didn't. I got this little brush holder. It's labeled lips, eyes, face. So, I mean, the different types of brushes, because they are different heights. That makes sense. And I always need more storage for brushes. However, they are not all created equal. So we have yet to see, is this sturdy enough to not tip over? Since it's different levels, I feel like this stands a good chance. If it does well, I might buy a couple more, since I always need brush storage. But again, $1.25, can't fight with that. And I got some makeup wipes on the cheap. These are the GBC Beauty ones. So we have the cucumber ones and the sensitive skin ones. They did have a coconut. I obviously can't use that because I'm allergic. But these I've got. I don't really use them necessarily for their intended purpose. I more use them for when I do my swatch videos with like the eyeshadows and stuff, just to have them on hand, and I feel less guilty wasting cheap ass ones that are from the dollar store than like nice ones. Because I mean, if I'm cleaning off my makeup, I use my micellar water or a cleansing balm and soap. I don't waste my time on these for that. These are solely to have on hand at my desk when I film those. So I'm glad to have more of these on hand because I am low right now. So this was good timing to have gone there. So I have those. And because I'm me, I am incapable of going shopping somewhere that sells any beauty products without coming home with at least one lip balm. So I was good. I was good. I only bought 2. Technically it's 3 because one's a 2-pack. But I mean, you guys know how I normally am. I was very well controlled today. I'm doing better. So I have this Salt Range Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm in kiwi fruit. I forget which of you I just had this conversation with just months ago about how I've never seen a lip balm that is just kiwi. I have now apprehended one that is just kiwi, and that is exactly why I grabbed it. I was like, no fucking way. We just talked about this. I was like, alright, you know what? You have my attention. Get in the cart. If I like it, there is 2 there. If not, I don't know. But, and then this one was mostly just because it's cute. I mean, the LA Color ones, I don't expect to be good, but I buy them because they're cute. This one is the Hot Diggity Dog You're Very Nice one. So it's pretty cute. It looks like it'll be an EOS knockoff from what I can tell. Probably blue raspberry. Ingredients list, it's very basic, bare bones. I'm not expecting great things from it, but it was cute. It caught my eye. I bought it, whatever. And then I got just a few masks, just a few. Again, I was very good today. I was very good today. I was in and out of that store in under 10 minutes. I am very proud of myself for not wandering like I usually do. So I got these 2 from Miss Spa, which is, I think, Spa-scriptions dupe. So I have the Clearly Jealous Gel to Oil Flash Mask. And I have the Rich Face Illuminating Creme Mask. There was a 3rd. They did have coconut. Again, allergic, couldn't. So I didn't get that one. And then this, if they had had more than one of it, I would have grabbed 2 because I would have gotten my mom one as well. But they had this butterfly sheet mask, which again, am I expecting it to do great things? No, but it was butterfly. It was cute. My mom loves butterflies. I wanted to get her one too, but I also wanted to try it myself first. They might have it another day. I might be able to go back and get another one. But anyway, we'll see how it is first. And if it's worth it, I'll get another. And then the last thing I got. This was an impulse purchase up at the register. They had them in different colors. I exercised self-restraint. I did not buy one in each color. I just bought one. It is a pencil holder that looks like a little recycling bin. Did I buy it to put pencils in? I might, but more realistically, I knew literally later today I was going to be filming my twice yearly lippy declutter. I figured this would be perfect for the thumbnail because the clear ones I do recycle because I end up using them as moisture sticks for like my elbows, heels, etc., etc. I'll stick them in here when I'm done with that video so I can keep track of which ones are just for that instead of having to like waste an entire plastic holder tray on those. Perfect. Freaking perfect. So for all of that, my grand total, $20.77. That ain't bad. That ain't bad, I'm just saying. So I did pretty good today, and I think that is probably the smallest purchase I've made in quite a few years when on an impulse purchase streak at Dollar Tree. I'm proud of me today. I actually had some self-control. We're making progress in retraining the brain to be better. So, am I perfect? No. But are we expecting perfection? Also no. We are looking for improvement, and I've done that. So anyway, that's gonna be it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.